Imagine waking up and being ready in less than 5 minutes. In 2026, the biggest hair trend is not a complex style, it's the low maintenance shortcut. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today, we are looking at the best short hairstyles that require almost zero effort but still look high fashion. Let's reclaim your morning routine. First up is the Texture Pixie. This cut is designed to work with your natural hair texture. Just a bit of sea salt spray or a teeny amount of pomade and you are done. If you prefer a bit more length, the blunt bob is a classic. It's a one and done style that stays neat all day. No heat, no rind brushes, just clean lines and natural shine. The beauty of low maintenance short hair is how to highlight your features. It opens up your face and lets your jewelry and outfits take center stage. Plus, you'll save a fortune on products and hours on drying time. It's the ultimate lifestyle hack for the modern woman. So, are you ready to make the chop and simplify your life? Let me know which of these easy styles catch your eye in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy hair and beauty tips. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her